Hi everyone, I'm Wilber Barrios and I'm the owner of Right Carpentry. We provide services in the Marin County area. We perform bathroom and kitchen remodels, construction of decks, and any other major work such as full house remodels, including additions and construction of ADUs. Something that makes Right Carpentry different than any other companies is that our team treats our customers' homes like their own home, and we focus on owner-to-owner communication so that we can provide with the best results of your project. Our team is composed with highly skilled workers with 3 or more years of experience and organized into group trades that focus only on that specific trade, making them highly knowledgeable on it. We ensure quality by making sure that the work is being done properly and constantly checking every phase of the work. I started in the construction industry in 2014, and due to COVID, the company wanting to retire, I had an opportunity to start my own company, which I did in 2021. You should hire us because Make It Right has great craftsmanship that ensure quality and the integrity of our work. Another reason why you should hire us is because we always finish our job on time. Customers are concerned about having property damage during the construction. At Make It Right Carpentry, we make sure that everything is well protected before we start any construction work. If you're looking for a contractor, please give us a call and we'll be happy to help.